Dear students, good morning. Once again, welcome to Home Classes, a digital initiative by Director of School Education Jammu, Mrs. Anuradha Gupta ji. Dear student of class 8th, subject English. Dear students, in previous lecture, we recited the poem Prayer for Strength and read the poem in detail. Now, I will recall the summary of the poem and then we will discuss the question answer of the poem Prayer for Strength, written by versatile poet Rabindranath Tagore. This poem Prayer for Strength is written by Rabindranath Tagore. The poem is a prayer. The poet prays God to make his heart strong enough to bear joys and sorrows. The poet entreats God to clear the malice in his heart and fill it with love and compassion. He asks God to give him strength never to abandon the poor or kneel before a tyrant. At the end of the poem, the poet prays to God to keep him away from the insignificant things of the world and let him have the strength to submit his will to the will of God. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कवि कहते हैं कि ईश्वर उसके दिल को कोमलता से भर दो और जो भी उसके दिल में कठोरता है उसे ख़त्म कर दो। वे प्रभु से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि उसके अंदर से सारे शोक जो भी गलत चीज़ें हैं उन्हें ख़त्म कर दो। वे भगवान से ये भी प्रार्थना करते हैं कि उसके दिल में प्यार ही प्यार भर दो और सबसे प्यार करके लोगों की सेवा करे। वह ये भी चाहते हैं कि वह जो भी काम करें साहस से करें और उसके दिल में एक सहानुभूति पैदा हो। वह ये चाहते हैं कि वह निर्धन लोगों की सहायता कर सकें। कवि ये भी चाहते हैं कि वो किसी की शक्ति के सामने जो है कभी सर ना झुकाएं और हमेशा आगे बढ़ते रहें। अंत में कवि एक ऐसी शक्ति चाहते हैं कि वे छोटी छोटी बातों को बुलाकर सही मार्ग पर चलें और लोगों की भलाई के लिए काम करते रहें। कवि ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि उनसे इतनी शक्ति दो हे परमात्मा कि सामने प्रेम से अपने सिर को झुकाए और जो भी वो करे वो उनकी इच्छा से ही करे। दिस इज द समरी ऑफ द पोएम प्रेयर फॉर स्ट्रेंथ। नाउ we will discuss the question answer of the poem Prayer for Strength. The first question is, why does the poet want God to strike at his heart? Answer: the poet implores God to strike at his heart to remove the heartedness and remake it with love and compassion. He wants to be a loving and caring human beings. Next, question number 2. What does the poet want the strength for? Answer: the poet wants strength to bear joys and sorrows. He wants strength to make his love fruitful in service. He needs strength never to disown the poor or bow before a tyrant. Moreover, the poet needs strength to avoid the daily trifles and submit his will to the will of God. Question number 3. How can love be made meaningful in one's life? Answer: love is meaningful when it bears fruits of service of mankind. Question number 4. What should be our attitude towards the poor? Answer: our attitude towards the poor should be very sympathetic. We should never disown or neglect them. We should always help the poor and work for their welfare. Question number 5. What does bend my knees signify? Answer. The bending of one's knees means to surrender before a powerful person. Here, the poet prays to God to give him the strength to resist and not to bend the knees before a tyrant. Question number 6. Why does the poet want to raise his mind high above daily trifles? Answer. The poet wants to raise his mind high above the daily trifles so that he would not be involved in the issues that fill one's heart with malice and prejudice. Last question, question number 7. Why does the poet ask for strength to surrender his will to God's will? Answer. The poet wants to surrender his will to the will of God in order to live a pure and obedient life. As it is not easy to submit one's will, the poet prays for the strength to do so. So, dear students, we have completed the poem Prayer for Strength and question answer of the poem. Now, your homework is note down the question answer and learn them. I hope you enjoy the summary of the poem. Now, learn the question and note down. Thanks. Stay home.